Day 4 of our backyard patio renovation. We had a deck here and grass, and as you can see, at the end of the first week, this is what we have done. There was a lot of work to get all of these plants out. We had a rain day Thursday, so they were unable to work because this was all just a huge puddle. And then a little bit today on Friday. But as you can see, the end of the first week, we've got the base down. This has taken a lot of work. You don't want to rush any of the base because that's one of the most important parts. But all of this will be buried under the ground, and then the retaining wall will go through here with some trees and plants through here. And then this is all going to be the paver patio. Over here will be the hot tub. We actually ended up purchasing it. It's a Sundance Aspen, so it's a really big hot tub that's going to be right here. So it's taking a little bit extra work because they're going to be making the paver base deeper at a vehicular level so that it will hold the weight of a hot tub. And then the rest of the patio will come all the way through here. And they're going to build some steps coming down. It was just a rotted deck, but as you can see, after a week of work, we're almost done, or they are almost done with the bottom, and we'll be all set. There's some blue lines over here because as you start to build it, you look at the plan and you like it all. And you're like, well, maybe you could go back further. But then after realizing it would have cost a lot more money and a lot more work to dig all of that out. So that was not in the budget. So we're staying where we are. It's still fine. We've taken out quite a bit here. So it slides the hot tub into there. But, you know, you always kind of just ask questions, I guess. Hopefully it's not too annoying. But they were fine with it. They've been really good. So they're working out here in the pure sun. And of course, now in the evening when they've left, there's shade and it's a nicer time. But this is the work that's been done this week. And we're excited for next week, week 2, on the project that has been being built to renovate the backyard. Not a huge backyard, which is why adding a little bit more space is something we wanted to do. And just kind of clean it all up. It's going to look really nice when it's all done. But you're starting to see what we're going to get through here. So we will see you next week for the beginning of week 2 and see how it goes.